Most faceless channels pick the wrong niche and quit. Here is a faster way to choose.
If you are building a faceless channel, the niche matters more than the topic. Start by listing who you want to help, then pick one repeatable problem they search for every week. Next, sanity check. Can you find 30 video ideas in 10 minutes? And do existing channels prove people watch it? Subscribe so day 7 hits your feed tomorrow. Full kits in the description.